Hey friends, Coach D here, and I am wanting to tell you about a time whenever I felt these butterflies all floating through my belly, and I knew something exciting was about to happen. That was my first introduction to feeling how fascia can communicate with me. So, let me tell you a little bit more about fascia. So, we know that skin is stretchy and it moves with us and it helps protect us. But we have something that goes beyond the skin, deeper into our body, many layers of fascia. It's like the skin on the inside of us. And so when we think about how much fascia we have in our body, we think about how we feel it from our head all the way down to our toes, and it holds all of our organs too. It touches our bones and it helps hold together our body for our joints. It's the structure that helps us move. So fascia is something that has this super highway, and on that super highway are cars that constantly are moving and telling us how to communicate with our body. Only it's super duper fast. It's like a superhero fast speed. The only thing that this superhero needs is a lot of water in us. And so in order for these 100 trillion sensory highly intelligent communication tools to communicate with each other, they need water. And so it's really important that you drink healthy water and that you eat healthy fruits and vegetables that have water in it. So let's go back to those butterflies in the belly. Our fascia actually can hold on to some emotions that we take in. Maybe our parents don't want us to cry in the middle of church or when we're in front of people. And so we have to hold in our emotions. Our fascia holds it for us. Just remember that whenever you get to a safe place, it's okay to let out all the emotions, whether they're happy emotions or sad or angry emotions. Our fascia is going to hold on to that and and help us through that. So it's okay to say, "Hey body, it's time to just let my emotions go." So not only does this fascia inner web that looks like skin help us stand up and move, it also helps us feel the sensations of emotions in our body. Our fascia is the most intelligent, in my opinion, the most intelligent organ that we have because it connects everything together. This fascia, just like the skin on the inside, it's made up of water, sand, which a fancy word for sand is silica. It's a special mineral our body needs, and some healthy bacteria. When you put those three things together, it forms a crystal. And a crystal, most of the time we see crystals as rocks that are hard, but our kind of crystal inside of our body is more like a jelly or a gel. You know how the jelly, you put it on toast and eat it? It's kind of like that. It's wet, but it still has a little bit of structure to it. And whenever it's flowing through our body, it's flowing through these tubes. And so whenever we do a fascial maneuver or our parents do and rotate on our arms or our elbows, we're actually helping that fluid, that jelly, to move through our body through tubes like a spider web. And that stuff can actually open us up and it can make us feel light and happy and open, and it helps us move fast. Or if we're kind of not fully hydrated and we haven't had enough to drink or we're not feeling the best, that fascia may kind of be like, oh, achy and slow and maybe feel a little bit heavy. So that's when we do our fascial maneuvers, when we take time to hug ourselves and breathe in deep, we can really tap into these cool sensations in our body, just like those butterflies whenever you're excited. We can really learn how to communicate and listen to our body. And whenever you're able to do that, you're able to slow down, have more fun in life, and just be present with your body. Have fun with your fascia, you guys.